Welcome to US Solid. In this video, we will demonstrate how to wire your 3-wire motorized ball valve. The yellow wire must be connected to the negative terminal of the power source. When the red wire is connected to the positive terminal, the valve will open. When the blue wire is connected to the positive terminal, the valve will close completely. It's important to note that in the event of a power outage, the valve will maintain its current position. We will show you an example of wiring the valve with a DP-DT switch. Take your DP-DT switch and connect the power supply wires to the center terminals. Then, attach the valve's red and blue wires to the outer terminals on each end of the switch. We choose the DC power plug to connect the switch and valve with power adapter. The yellow wire from the valve should be connected to the negative terminal of the power source. When the switch is set to the open position, the valve will open fully. Conversely, when it is set to the closed position, the valve will close fully. Once the valve has reached its fully open or closed state, it will consume negligible energy. Thank you for watching. For more details, visit www.ussolid.com.